What's up, everybody? It's your boy G Money back at it again with another video on the channel. So if this is your first time tuning into the channel, feel free to subscribe right down below the video, and like always, put that thumbs up if you enjoyed the content. And to all my new subscribers, thank y'all for the support. And to all my OGs out there, welcome back to another video. So guys, if you saw the title to today's video, so I pretty much did 3 exterior modifications on the G35, and well, I have been getting some feedback, some comments, whether these products are, how are they holding up, and you know, if they're really worth it. So I thought I'd give y'all a review and up to date, let y'all see if the products are still working, and that's pretty much it, guys. But before I start this video, I did want to mention that I do have some decals now. Are you tired of spending a lot of money on your car just to get a little bit of horsepower? Well, I got the solution for you guys with these decals right here. So these decals right here, as soon as you put it on your window, you will gain horsepower. We have proven dynos. So the sedans, if you want a sedan decal, you're gonna gain 5 to 10 horsepower right off the back as soon as you put it on your window. You don't believe me? Well, I got a customer right here.
Yeah, so I got one of these decals, and well, I put it on my window, and as soon as I put it on my window, my car was fast. And well, I have a 4-door sedan, but now it feels like a 2-door sedan. So yeah, I got a lot of horsepower for a little bit of price. Thank you.
So if you're interested in one of these decals, let me know in the comments down below, and if you purchase one, your car will move on the go. Now let's get this video started. Alright guys, so pretty much to start this video off, the first modification that I recently did that a lot of people have been asking how they're holding up are the fog lights that I installed on the G35. So pretty much I do have a video on how I installed all these products, so if you want to check them out, I'll leave like a card right above this video or whatever, so that way if you want to attempt to do this or do it to your car, then you can do it. But a lot of people have been asking how these are holding up. So as you can tell, they're still working perfectly fine. The only thing that went out is the LED halo that goes around the projector. I don't know if you can tell. So right now just the projector is working. The reason for that being is one of the wires got loose and it ripped, so I tried re-terminating it and it wasn't working after that, so I just ended up matching the other projector and cut the wires. So right now only the projectors work, which is fine with me because I actually like the way it looks. It looks a lot better. So there's pretty much 3 things that I took away from owning these fog lights. As you can see from that photo, you can use these fog lights for any other vehicle. They don't just have to be on a G35. I mean, if you have other vehicles that you want to install fog lights, these, you know, will do the same thing. The second thing is they do illuminate the road. They're not just for show. Like I said, I pretty much got them so I can make the car look a lot different. As you can tell from the photos, it does give the car more of an aggressive look, but they do illuminate the road, so that's a plus right there, because you know, I didn't want to get something that was too dim. But the third thing that I wanted to mention was the price. For 24 bucks, guys, you can't beat that deal. So yeah. So besides all those good things, the only downfall that I would say about these lights is probably just the wiring. I mean, if you don't secure everything properly, then you know, you'll probably have an issue like I did. But for the most part, I would recommend these fog lights. Like I said, for 24 bucks, it's a good deal, and you know, it does give the car a different look, because like I said, these cars do not come with fog lights for the bottom grille, so it does give it a different look. But yeah, even in the weather conditions, guys, these hold up, so that's a plus right there. I thought they were going to malfunction, but everything seems to be working perfectly fine. So let's get to the second mod. Alright, so pretty much the second thing on the list is going to be my Infinity LED badge. So the 2 things that I took away from this is for one, the price, 18 bucks. I mean, that's a pretty good bargain, being that it's from wish.com, you know. a lot of the parts from there, they say that are real cheap. So it's holding up because, as you can see, it's on the front of the grill, so it's getting all the debris from, you know, the highway. So it's still intact, holding up, so that's a plus right there. And then the second thing is that, you know, not a lot of people have this look on their G35. I mean, of course they do have the mesh grill, or they'll have like a chrome grill that's painted black with the emblem that's chrome, but not a lot of people have this look. And then, you know, of course it, you know, it lights up, so that's, you know, that's a plus right there. You know, it's not just a badge, it actually lights up. So you know, that's a plus right there. The only two downfalls that I would say about this is it doesn't illuminate, you know, a lot of light. So you would have to pretty much kind of walk up to the car and be able to see that, you know, there's light working. And then the second thing is, well, being that it's from wish.com, you know, it takes a lot of time for it to get you know, shipped out and all that. But for the most part, I would give this product a thumbs up. It's still working. I have been getting a lot of response and you know, comments and questions, and, you know, saying that where did I get it from, and, you know, it looks good on the car. So that's a plus right there. But for the most part, like I said, I would give this product a thumbs up because, you know, it's something different that not everybody has. So let's get to the final and the third thing. Alright, number 3 on the list is going to be my halo installation that I recently did on my taillights. A lot of people have been asking, how are they holding up? Are they bright enough during the day? Is it worth the money? So pretty much the two things that I thought I would mention about having these halos, well, one right there, as you can see, is the price. For $12.99, that's, you know, for 2 of them, that's not a bad deal. You know, there are some other halos out there that run you $105. Yes, they might be a little bit brighter and have a little more features, but if you're just, you know, trying to, you know, make your car look a little different and, you know, putting some halos, these work just as fine. The main thing that I was concerned about is during the day, if you know, I was going to be able to illuminate the brake light when you know, I pushed on the brake, if the people behind me were going to be able to see that. And well, I mean, let me show y'all what it looks like. So if you notice, the lights are not on, but as soon as I push the brake light, you'll be able to see the difference in color. I mean, right now it's bright outside, you know, so if I'm driving on the road and I push the brakes, this is pretty much what the people behind me are going to see. So I mean, as you saw, even during the day, you're able to see the brake light. You know, that was the main thing for me, the safety. If you know, the people behind me could see me pushing their brakes, and I mean, as you saw, I mean, they still work during the day, and well, at nighttime you can pretty much see the lights. But I didn't really have anything bad to say about these halos. I mean, as far as installing everything, yeah, it was a tedious process, but that's, you know, installing the halos. As far as the actual product, for $12.99, I would give this product a thumbs up. And you know, I haven't had any issues with, you know, the halos going out or, you know, something malfunctioning. But for the most part, this product right here, I would recommend it. Alright guys, so pretty much that concludes this video. Like always, if you enjoyed the content, put that thumbs up, helps the channel grow. And if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed, like always, subscribe right down below the video. But yeah, that pretty much concludes it, guys. Like I said, I thought I'd just give y'all up to date on some of the products that I recently installed. I would hate to you know, promote products or install products that, you know, y'all want to, you know, do to y'all's car and then they don't work. So that's why I thought I'd just give y'all up to date review on these products. The only one, like I said, that I had the downfall was the fog light halos. Like I said, that LED halo went out, but that's probably on my error because, you know, I probably didn't wire it right or something got loose. But for the most part, I mean, all these products for that cheap of a price, they all work and they're still working. So you know, like I said, if you want to attempt any of these modifications, I do have videos on it. So you know, check them out. And like I said, I do have merchandise. those decals. If you're interested, let me know in the comments down below. I'm linking up with another subscriber. We're gonna, you know, probably make some shirts and stuff, but you know, I'll let y'all know in the future. But that's pretty much it, guys. Like always, y'all have a great day and stay safe out there. Peace.